What do we think? Look at that. I'm not someone who irons bedding.
Just stopping for a snack break, you know?
Simple, cosy and realistic. Good girl.
Autumn is here, and what better way to give my home a little autumn refresh than with some little decor pieces. Of course, this will include cleaning items as well. Get comfy and let's get straight into it.
Our fireplace is first up on the list. I have got a homemade garland that I'm gonna pop up here once the space is sorted. First of all, let's get this fireplace dusted and ready to go. Now onto the fun bit. After some jiggery pokery, this is where the garland is now at. What do we think? So now that we have the fireplace looking all beautiful and autumnal, we need to sort out the sofa. That is a disaster in itself right now. And then let's get some beautiful little autumnal cushions on there. But actually I think these are gonna help. Coming up very soon, I have some surgery, and so just looking at these will give that little pop of colour and just remind me that it's okay to slow down and chill for a second. How well does that match that? Love it! What? Whilst crafting the garland, I also decided to take some time and make Nova a little bandana. It was just a fun little project, and in my opinion, she looks proper cute. Good girl, look at you! I had to capture a couple of shots just showing it in the evening as the night was drawing in because it just looks so cosy.
Next up is adding a little splash of autumn into the kitchen, and what better way to start than with a butter dish? Now you probably weren't expecting that, and that's fine. I regularly, if not weekly, make my own bread for us at home, and it's something that I've really come to enjoy doing. And we then went to also having proper butter, which meant we needed a little dish, and of course I picked up an autumn dish because who wouldn't?
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly.
I bought these beauties. The main aim of the game with them is to have one in the kitchen and have one in the downstairs toilet, just to add a bit of colour, something a bit different, a bit of fun for a few weeks until we move on further into the year. I'm not going to mention the C word yet, do not worry. I then saw something online, and it was like a towel bow, and she popped it over the oven door. So just for a bit of fun and just something to try, I want to do that. Can you see where this is going? Oh, there might be a little flower moving from the bread. Look at that, for something just fun. So no more distractions, and let's actually get to using the towels as to how we're going to be using them, and that means cleaning. This bad boy hasn't been cleaned in some time. Let's see how bad it really is. Just stopping for a snack break, you know? Got to top up at times, haven't you? Snack break over. Let's get this radiator clean. I'm just using some Dettol and a green cloth.
Okay, so obviously we're just cleaning the radiator. And then this that you've already, what? These are really good, but not now. Like, it's all rusted and gone onto the radiator, which obviously you would not believe me if I told you how heavy this radiator was, let alone before it even got filled with the water to heat the damn room. Like, just a little lesson in radiators for you. Oh. Let's try some pink stuff. Just got a tiny little bit. It's looking better. It was here. There are still ever so slight tiny marks which are bugging me, and obviously I need to clean it, all the products off and whatnot, but I will come back to that because I have noticed whilst I'm here how disgusting this fridge freezer is. Disgusting no more. Now ready for the bow to be ruined, and I caught both. Oh my god, and the camera will not have caught that. You will not understand how rubbish I am at catching, and I just caught that. Anywho, let's get this beautiful tea towel up so that we can ruin it with food stains. And then of course, as I've already said, I'm just going to pop this one in our downstairs toilet. I was going to say guest bathroom, like, who do I think I am? I'm sorry, is that just me, or does that look so nice against this radiator? Like, too nice for people to use. So the last thing that I would like to do is put on some autumnal bedding. Now this isn't anything that you might look at and think is major autumnal. We've had it for a few years. I personally just always use it in autumn and winter. It's never really a summer bedding.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it.
I'm not someone who irons bedding, but there is that crease release spray, and let me tell you, this bedding could really do with some. And that's going to go ahead and wrap up today's autumn little reset. Something just super simple, cozy and realistic. If you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.